Hi everyone! Today we're in Altor, which is one of the offices that we designed. Come along. Now we're in the entrance, which is a really nice kind of Scandinavian styled entrance, which the company is from. And also with the blue tones that kind of gets picked up by the logo itself. Come along and let's see how the office looks. So, as I said before, we have very light and airy and nice details, which is very Scandinavian, kind of like the Danish term hygge. One of the ideas that we had for this office was that it shouldn't feel like just an office. It should feel also like home, that you can sit down, feel comfortable, and that is also something that reflects in Scandinavian design. Now we're at one of the work spaces or one of the desks, so they're all high adjustable. And what is also, like we were talking about before, that all the colors and all the tones is kind of very neutral and very toned down, but with a great focus on material, good material. Same with the curtains, that has this kind of luxurious feel to them, but with a really high quality. Yeah, so high adjustable table that you can adjust just by a fingertip. Isn't that luxurious? This is a great meeting room for a couple of 6'4" guys, right? And what is nice about this meeting room is that it's the middle of Zurich. You can see right out to the lake.